Let's dive into the Ambient soap feature. This tool is designed to listen during a visit and seamlessly direct the spoken content into the appropriate soap sections. To get started, navigate to the encounter screen and select Add Soap Note. Next, you'll want to click on Begin Recording. As you naturally converse during the encounter, the system captures the dialogue. For example, you might say something like, "The patient reports experiencing low back pain for the past 5 days after lifting a box." During the examination, you might note that lumbar function is restricted and the straight leg raise test is positive on the right side. Your assessment might indicate acute lumbar pain with radicular symptoms. The plan could include a diversified adjustment, e-stim, home ice treatment, and a recommendation for follow-up visits twice next week. When the auto-route feature is enabled, the transcript will automatically be sorted into the appropriate soap sections based on your spoken words. You can then review how the content is organized. Plus, there's the option to use drop-downs and chips to refine the note further. Initially, you need to select a specialty. Once you've made your selection, you can input additional information as needed. After refining the note, you'll notice that billing suggestions are generated at the bottom. Incorporate these as needed and save the changes, and it will be incorporated into the encounter. And that wraps up our overview of the Ambient soap note.